Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I am the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing ARBKF, ASTI, BBKCF, DMGGF, DRNG, EEENF, HMBL, HSSHF, LCLP, LTNC, LWLG, MJWL, MSMY, NLST, NSAV, NWBO, RGBP, and RGBPP, RSHN, SBES, VITX, WDLF, ANY, BTBT, FTFT, IDEX, KXIN, WHLM, WORX, and WPRT. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion and meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and the little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks we're going to be covering. Stocks like LWLG at $2.55, ENZC at 0.014, MJWL at 0.014, and ALPP at 7.5 cents. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, it'd be 1 plus your area code and number. Never begin the format with 00. It will not work. And with that out of the way, let's dive in here. First of all, there were 2 alerts this week. We sent one text alert on Wednesday. That's at the open. That stock rallied 39% off the open. We sent another one on Thursday. This was an email only, and that stock ran 57% from the open. So all in all, not a bad week. 2 for 2 on the alerts, so happy there. But overall, it was a lackluster week on the OTC markets. If you follow our YouTube channel, I'm a big fan of diversification, owning, 10 to 20 or more OTC stocks or more. And if that's where you're positioned, you know that most are off the highs. So went through a lot of charts today, looked at several hundred, and it's just it's like watching paint dry. And this is very common right now. We are in August. This is the summer doldrums. Anyone that has been trading OTC stocks as long as I have, they just know that this is a very, very quiet time. September, things start picking up, and then October, November, things go gangbusters. December's been good as well, and then January and February have been incredible. Last year, I would say November to February was one of the best times ever to be an OTC trader. Fortunes were absolutely made last year. So if you participated and caught that run, congrats. If you're a newbie and got in because of the stories that you heard from that run, don't be discouraged. Right now, we're just in a quiet time. The markets will get hot again. And I'm going to run down the charts here, and then I want to talk to you guys about pivoting to NASDAQ. Based on what's happening right now with OTC, we're going to be sending this week 1 or 2 NASDAQ alerts. I've been screening NASDAQ pennies. There's opportunities there. Guys, Don't pigeonhole yourself in the corner and say, I'm only an OTC trader, or I'm only a NASDAQ trader, or I only trade sub pennies. Bottom line, you're in the business of making money. And, you got to go where the money is. And, I've been doing this long enough to know that markets cycle. And right now, NASDAQ is really where you want to be, with, the occasional OTC plays here and there. So just keep yourself flexible, and I'm going to dive in here and show you why. First up, ARBKF. These stocks that I'm going to talk about, we've all covered on insiderfinancial.com. So if you want the deep dive on what we said, just go into the magnifying glass, type in the stock symbol, and there will be all the coverage that we have on that particular symbol. ARBKF is a Bitcoin blockchain play. This one's had a nice bounce off the $1, held the $1. We're a double here in the past month. So it's been a slow and steady climb there. Bitcoin over 42,000 weekend so far on Saturday. Ethereum approaching 3,000. Crypto plays shall be hot on Monday. ASTI, this has been a popular one, was red, had the stop sign, now it's pink current. This one's making a climb up the charts. This has been a past runner. This is one you should definitely be watching. BBKCF, another blockchain play, put in a double bottom here at the 63-cent level. It's a double off of that in the past month. DMGGF, another one, put in a bottom at the 50-cent level. We've now another double. DRNG, volatile play, ran to almost 0.13, pulled back, got a nice bounce on yesterday, 31% move. So, this is an example of what I talk about, buying dips, selling rips. And, as you can see here, it held the 20-day of 0.0059. So on if you look at my charts, three key indicators that I look for. I have the 20-day moving average, the 50-day, and the 200-day, and then I look at the RSI. Over here, it got overbought when it got above 80, so that was a signal to sell. Yesterday it pulled back, the RSI closed at 59. This signals that there's still it corrected the overbought situation, and we have some more bounce to come. EEENF, been talking about this one. This has been a nice steady accumulation. This one's just coiling, looking like it's ready to make a major breakout. Just a matter of time with the getting the drilling going. Weather break in Alaska, so this is definitely one you should have on your radar. We look at this one as a lotto play. So, your downside is, 3 cents. Upside it could be enormous. So just this is one you sort of want to buy and forget about. Humble. This was a huge winner for us last year. We got our subscribers in at under 3 cents, ran to almost $8, and then it's been a bear, a dog with fleas ever since, but it's starting to bounce. I like the price action on Friday. Held the 81 cent, the 80 cent level. This has been a big support zone in the past, and I think what we're seeing is, with just the bottom feeders coming in, looking to buy these dip bounce bottom plays, and HMBL is certainly one of those. Big volume every day, so definitely this looks intriguing. I think a lot of those that we're going to sell have already sold, so it looks like we're getting some fresh buying coming in, which is a good sign. HSSHF, another Bitcoin blockchain play. This dipped below $1 last month. Now it's making another climb, so certainly like the price action there. LCLP pulled right back to the 20-day of 0.0254, and it's been registering lately higher lows. So you see this building a trend line here. This is definitely one you want to keep on your radar screen, and one which we've done a deep dive on. So definitely go and check out what we've said about LCLP. And as we talked about, the title of our article is LCLP, it's jackpot with massive crypto acquisition. So definitely go and check that out for those of you that are new to LCLP. What else we got here? LTNC, never been a big fan, not a fan of Stan the Man. The drama going on there between him and Ryan. But still has the stop sign. It seems like some people are coming in and bottom fishing here. So up 12% on Friday. So keep an eye on this one. LWLG, this is just a quality play. Came back, pulled back to the 50-day, held the 50-day at 788, getting a nice bounce off of there. MJWL, this is another of our favorites, bouncing off the 12-cent level. This one just waiting on some news, and should get running again. MSMY, talked about this one last week. This was a big runner from July, ran from a penny to almost a nickel, pulled back and consolidating here nicely. NLST, another one consolidating up around here. This is another quality play. Ran from $2 to $10 that we've talked about quite a bit on our site. So definitely go and check out what we've said about NLST. This has been a favorite of ours, and one that's been highly rewarding for our subscribers. So congrats to all that rode NLST. NSAV, big rally in July, pulled back, consolidating up here around the dime level. Let's see how this one plays out. This one, if we get back above 14 cents, we're heading to a quarter. So this is definitely one. A lot of people really like this one with crypto, Bitcoin getting hot. NSAV is they're going to have their crypto exchange, so this one we think can get hot again next week. NWBO, bouncing off the dollar level. This is one we've talked about at length. Just waiting on data release. This could be a home run. This could be $10, or we could be back at 10 cents, depending on how the data plays out. So just keep that in mind. It's another lotto play. RGBP and RGBPP both making runs up this week. So nice to see this price action in these two. RSHN bouncing off the 20 and the 50-day. Let's see how this one plays out next week. Likewise, SBES, it's consolidating right above the 20, 50, and 200-day moving averages. VITX had a nice week. This was a bright spot despite the three days of rallying, so it was nice to see that on VITX. And WDLF, definitely consolidating around here. This is definitely one you want to take a look at. Big following on social media, and this is one that has a history of big moves. And this is another lotto play that if you're in it, just hold and let's see how it plays out. The following, the next ones, these are NASDAQ stocks, and just going to talk about the price action in these last week, and this shows you why right now you really want to be trading NASDAQ stocks in addition to OTC. ANY had a nice move, 41% move on Friday. BTBT, this was a penny stock just the end of July, was under $5. And we're at 17 right now. So again, this is it's a triple in a month. It's right now a lot better than what we're seeing on OTC. I mean, this week we had two alerts, 39% and 57%. Last year we would have laughed at those types of gains. This year you got to take those types of gains. I mean, you got to go, what the market gives you, you have to take. And guys, it's all about P&L, and you won't go broke taking a profit. So right now you have to be quicker to take those profits when the market changes, and we're getting all these triple digit runners. Then you can be a little bit more patient, but right now take profits when you can. FTFT, this is one, look at had a big run beginning of the year, quieted down, 20% move on Friday. This is one could really get going quickly in the after hours. Was bidding 315, so we think there's going to be continuation on Monday. IDEX consolidating really nicely here around the 250. This has been a zone for loading. This is definitely one that can get moving in a hurry. We still see this one as a very undervalued EV fintech play with a market cap of just $1 billion. Shane McMahon from WWE, he's vice chairman. We've talked about IDX a lot on the site, so definitely go and check out what we've said. And this is definitely remains a favorite of insiderfinancial.com. KXIN, 89% on Friday. We'll take it. Nice run. This one definitely one proves why you want to be trading NASDAQ pennies at this time. WHLM, look at these spikes. From $5 to $9. It did it twice in the past month. Again, we'll take it. So this is, shows you why you really want to be trading NASDAQ at this time. WORX consolidated at the $2 level. We're over $3. Nice move here. And WPRT was under $4. Rallied above $5. This one is a history of big runs. Last November it ran from under $2 to 13 in February. So pulled back like the others, and it's starting to get going again here. So we like what we see here in WPRT. So folks, go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. We're going to have OTC and NASDAQ alerts this week. Make sure you are signed up with both your email and SMS. Sometimes we send email only. Sometimes we send SMS only. It depends on what comes across our desk, and try to be fair for both. Some are just email subscribers, and some are just SMS subscribers. So make sure you sign up with both. This way you get all our alerts. With that being said, wish everyone a wonderful weekend. I'm doing a lot of research this weekend, so definitely going to have a few alerts this week for our subscribers. So go ahead and sign up at signup.insiderfinancial.com, and I'll be coming live to you with new videos shortly. Have a great weekend, everyone, and chat soon. Bye-bye.